Hey guys, it's Thang, and we are back at Kim's Nature in December. Yeah, they're still open pretty much all year long. Yeah, so this is our second time at Kim's Nature. She has all of her Christmas stuff out today, which is actually pretty nifty. So we're gonna go inside and see what we can find today. I think I'm gonna get some clay balls, because I've seen people using clay balls and stuff. Poles, door thick, hard. Here we are again. Oh, look at the nice aloe. Oh, this is a gigantic aloe. Gigantic aloe. Yeah, this would be what mine would have been, but we cut it down and ate it. Really cool stuff. I wonder what Kim is. Let's go to the second section first. Yes. The air pants they have. They're like $30 per, which is okay. This one's really interesting. I've never seen this one before. I think I might buy this one. Yeah, I've never seen that one before. Oh, this looks really cool. Right? That looks really cool. That one's $10 per. That one's really cool. And I think some of these, like you see them at like the Lorimer Nursery. $3.99 for a small one. That's really cool. I really like how this looks. Alright, so let's start here. I think I have the majority of these. I don't remember which one I wanted to get last time, but I did not get. I remember one of them I said I was gonna get, but I did not get. I don't remember. I don't think they have it here anymore. Look at these heart-shaped leaves. They're really cool. Although you can't propagate them. They only they'll root out like that and that's it. Wow, look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Yep. Amazing. I have all these. My mom loved these ones. She loves them so much. Yep. Which one do I not have? I don't have this one. I think I'll buy this one. Yeah, I definitely don't have this one. This one too. Strings of pearls and bananas. Oh, it could be like this one that I wanted to buy last time, but I didn't. I think it could be this one, yeah. Most likely that one. Sedums, not really interested in them. Like the red prints, love it. Flapjacks, love them too. I have those at home. Genau. Which one? No, I have. Chưa có. This one I already have. Mom's already picking things I don't have. Wow. No, that's a butterfly inside. No, got that. I already have that one too. Interesting. Ionium cups. Cái nào?
Cái này nè.
This one?
Nè.
Mấy này hả? Yeah, go ahead. This one. Mother of Thousand, we have that. Mom's always like that. Ooh, I want this one too. Oh, I think I want this. Look at this. It's all black. Yeah, I want this. I want this too. Yes, I want those two. I want those two. What else do I want? I think I want these ones as well. And then I already have this at home. I have this at home. I'll be there too. I want this too. It's a what?
That's very unusual, right?
Oh. Is Kim in today?
Yeah.
Or is she off? Oh, okay. Tons of these. Which flower? Cái gì bông vậy? Hold on. Oh, what is this? This is umbrella tree, right? No, it's
Cat flower.
It's a bad flower?
Bat.
Bat.
Yeah. Looks like a bat, eh?
Oh, cool.
Very
That looks cool, yeah. That's very cool. I like this one, look. Hangs on the leaf like that. That's cool. They have some fun one up here too. What'd you find, Mom? What'd you find?
Hả?
What'd you find?
Oh, flower that.
Oh, what'd you find? Did you find the flower?
Yeah.
Look at that, tiny flowers.
Small.
She loves that kind of stuff. She loves like Christmas, these type of things. She loves that the most. Flowers. These are actually deadly for the cats, so I can't buy these. Look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. And all the things are blooming. I love this place. Although you can only come here like once every few months. Because if you go all the time, you expense everything, right? Look how beautiful this is. Look, see? Look at all this bloom. So beautiful. Oh, there. That's gorgeous. Look how beautiful this is. Both of these. Got grow lights, so nothing stretch out in the winter time. Oh, look what they use. They use clay balls underneath as well. I think we need to do that. Clay balls underneath, so it releases like the water slowly. I think we need to do that. Let's invest in some clay balls this year. See, look, clay balls. Tons of clay balls. I think that's just like cactus soil, and that's it. Maybe that's how most people achieve like a lot of these colors. Because I think when I bought the other ones, they had clay balls inside them too. Yeah. And here we are with the potting stuff. Yay! Look at this. Stone into seashell. Isn't that cool? All these pots are really cool. I like this one. I like that one. Kia mình mua này chưa? Did we buy this?
Chưa.
Is that a piggy?
Chưa.
I don't know. Look, there's two piggy right here. There's two piggies. Like this. It's $39. Oh my god. It's octopus. 39 đồng. I have no money for today. Oh, look at these small nice ones. They're cute. Very, very cute. I love it here. So we're done, and this is what we bought. I think that's a lot of stuff, right, Mom? And her glass collection in here, which is all safe and sound. Anyways, I know it's a quick like tour video, but that's it. That's what we do. This is Kim's nature. I always love it here. She always has like good tips on how to like work your plants, which she's given to me, so I can give to you guys. Yay! In the next video, yeah. We're at Humber Nursery yet again. Yeah, we're hitting two spots at once in one day. I remember I accidentally went to the women's washroom one time, but that was okay. I just had to go pee. I have nice stuff. I wonder where my mom is. Ooh, look at these terrariums. Very beautiful. Not really into terrarium myself, unfortunately. Let's see what they have this time. I wonder if they have anything new. Let's go see. You know what's funny? I don't see many people like selling butterworts. It's just weird. Yeah, I have all these. I have all these. It's so odd, like going to a place and like you have everything, you know? Yeah, that's why like right now I have to like search and scour the internet. Search and scour the internet. Cause like these places, they really have like only normal regular stuff.